behind you. So this is clockwise, that's with the left hand on top, and this is with the right hand on top. First if you put your arms in the I Dream of Jeannie right on top, and then start your left poi. Let's start by moving the left poi to behind the back, holding it there, and then going back to front, back to front, back to front, back to front, and then let's do 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also starting in clockwise, and you're gonna have your right arm on top of your left arm still. So if you put your right arm on top, but move your right arm to the left side of your body over here, then you can go from your front to your back. And hold it behind for a few beats. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's go front to back. And front to back. And front to back. And then we'll do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. So that's the basic movement that happens with each poi, and both poi are doing that at the same time. One poi will be on the front while the other poi is on the back. So you'll be like this, or 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 it'll just look like this when you put it together. How to get into that? Let's start with your right arm on top of the left, facing to the right, and looking to the right. Start with them both in overhand, like this, and split time. I mean, you can start in the same time and then make it split time. Now what's gonna happen is you're gonna swivel to the other side and end up underhand here. So if you go side to side, that's what'll happen. And you still wanna be in split time. Keeping your arms crossed from this split time, you'll swivel back. And then you'll swivel back. And then swivel back. Well, now that you have an idea of what you're gonna do, let's drill each hand. We'll drill each hand going side to side. When we did the drill initially, we drilled it as if you were standing here with it going front plane to back plane. Let's imagine it now going side plane to side plane. So you'll maintain your I Dream of Jeannie arms. Wrap up your right poi. We'll work with the left one first. Use the basic T stance. We'll face this way on the right and this way on the left. And you're swiveling between your T stance to get from side to side. So with the right hand on top, left hand is underneath, looking to your right, in overhand. Now you're gonna swivel 180 degrees, and then your left poi will come out underhand on the left side, and then swivel. 1, 2, 3, swivel. 1, 2, 3, swivel. 1, 2, 3, and swivel. 1, 2, 3, 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 swivel, and 4 more, and swivel, and swivel, and 3 sets more, and swivel, and swivel, and 2 sets more, and swivel. 1, 2, 3, and swivel, and last set. 2, 3, and swivel, and 1, 2, 3, and swivel. Maintain the same arm orientation. You're still facing the right. We're still working with the T stance. Right poi is overhand here. and 1, 2, 3, and swivel. Now it's on the back side. And 1, 2, 3, swivel. 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 1, 2, 3, and swivel. 1, 2, 3, and swivel. 1, 2, 3, and swivel. And 5 sets more. And swivel. 2, 3, and swivel. 4 more sets. And swivel. 1, 2, 3, swivel. 3 sets. 2, and swivel. 2, 3, and swivel. 2 more. 2, 3, swivel. 1, 2, 3, swivel. And last set. 2, 3, and swivel. 1, 2, 3, and swivel. Cross your arms with the right on top. Then get into split time. You're in overhand facing your right. You're still in your T stance. And we're gonna use that T stance to swivel to the left and come out underhand on the left side with both of them, hopefully still in split time. And then we're gonna swivel to the right. And swivel to the left. 1 and 2 and 3, swivel. 1 and 2 and 3, swivel. 1, 2, 3, and swivel. And 1 and 2 and 3 and swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 and swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 and swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 swivel. 1, 2, 3 swivel. 1, 2, 3 swivel. 1, 2, 3 swivel. 1, 2, 3 and swivel. Last 3 and swivel. 2 more sets. 2, 3 and swivel. 1, 2, 3 and swivel. And last set. 2, 3 and swivel. 1, 2, 3 swivel. If you think about it in terms of your right hand leading the movement, it's on top and it's starting in front of you because you're looking to your right. Think about every time it hits the bottom of the turn, just like when you're doing a giant, it's the same thing. Every time you hit the bottom of the turn, that's when you swivel. So you swivel to here, you swivel to here, you swivel to here, you swivel to here. So if we start here, like this, just let your left one follow and focus on your right and focus on the beat so that you notice now, 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 now. Cross the arms, right's on top, split the timing, and then when the right one crosses when the right one is going at the bottom, swivel to the other side, then swivel back. Swivel, then swivel back. Swivel, then swivel back. We're gonna start it from the left side. That might help. So if you're underhand here, you're in same time still. Cross your arms with the right on top, then go into split time. And still, when the right one's at the bottom, swivel, then swivel back. And you can relate to it this way, where you're just trying to do one cycle from the side to the other side and then go back and stand facing this way. From the side to the other side and face this way. And make sure you're still in split time when you get back. And this should help you with your timing. And then you can do this drill on the other side as well, where you're overhand, swivel once and back. Make sure you're in split time, swivel once and back. Make sure you're in split time, swivel and back. Make sure you're in split time, swivel and back. Make sure you're in split time in your personal practice. Try it where you start in underhand here, and then you do 1, hold, 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 2, hold, 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 3, hold, 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 4, hold, 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 5, hold, hold, hold. Go to the other side and then do the same thing. 1, hold, 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 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And then try and do it 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then Just really fast. All you do, you just go back and forth. All you do.